Hi, this is Ms. Heath, and I'm going to read you a story called Uncovering Earth's Secrets Science and Adventure on the Joyous Resolution. Uncovering Earth's Secrets. People are curious. We like to explore. We've traveled the land and to every shore. On ship and canoes, by horse and balloon, we've ridden on rockets and walked on the moon. But here on Earth, there is still a place we know less about than some places in space. Our planet is covered mostly by sea, but what's underneath? It's a big mystery. We curious people who like to explore are beginning to discover what's in the seafloor. One way that scientists make a contribution is by exploring the deep on the Joyous Resolution. They come from all over and work as a team to accomplish a worthy and wonderful dream, to study the earth that's under the seas, from tropical oceans to seas where you freeze. They don't search with divers or submersible ROV. They send down a drill to the floor of the sea. They aren't drilling for fish or for whales or for squid, but for sand, rocks, and fossils in the places they're hid. The drill pipe is held in the derrick's tight grip and lowered through a hole in the base of the ship. The pipe descends down link to link, while the big hole stays open and the ship doesn't sink. The seafloor is different from rocks found on land. It's covered by grains of fossils and sand. And some of the seafloor is almost brand new. Rocks form in places where magma comes through. The drill bit is hard. It can cut the seafloor and carve out the rock in the form of a core. The drillers and roughnecks who operate the drill retrieve the long cores with incredible skill. The cores are time capsules that contain many clues about the Earth's history and the oceans too. When the scientists gather data, they can be quite effective at pulling together the story, just like a detective. The clues are found in fossils, minerals, and sand that are studied on the ship before it reaches land. Instruments measure properties like rock radiation or how the layers shift in magnetic orientation. And what have they learned? So many things about plate tectonics and the changes it brings, how mid-ocean ridges add rock to sea plains, and hotspots produce volcanic island chains. Clues in the cores helped us understand how some ocean floor sinks under the land. We now know better the disasters this makes, from tsunamis, volcanoes, and even earthquakes. Cores helped us find a volcano so vast that giant Mauna Loa has now been surpassed. This underwater volcano, made of basalts, not granites, is almost the biggest on all 8 planets. Or the mystery of the dinosaurs. How did they die? We found evidence an asteroid fell from the sky. Core layers from all over were each found intact, with debris that was kicked up by the asteroid impact. Paleontologists find fossils from the floor of the sea that act as a record of Earth's changing history. Fossils from a species we know liked it hot show climate was once warmer in that very spot. The folks on this ship were once kids just like you. Being a scientist is what you could do too. And like the explorers whose discoveries have worth, you can search to uncover the secrets of the earth.